Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to update Twitter app to X. In order to do that, first of all launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. So in my case I'm gonna launch Google Play Store. Now first step you need to do is tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the search bar and search for Twitter or X. Now, if you search for Twitter, you'll see the X application on top. Let's tap on it. Now, over here, if your app is still named Twitter, you'll see the option of Update. If you tap on the option of Update, your Twitter application will be updated to X. Another step you can do in order to fix your issue is that let's go back. Now, at the top right corner, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. Now, over here, you'll see the option of Manage Apps and Device. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, on this section, you'll see Updates Available. You can see your app updates that have been pending. Let's tap on it. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll see the X app. Now, over here, if you haven't updated your Twitter app to X, you'll see the option of Update at the right-hand side corner. You can simply tap on it and wait for the app to be updated. Once the app has been updated, your Twitter app will be updated to X. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.